The citrus fruit lime is widely used in foreign cooking. Lime is used frequently in food and beverages and also offers a number of health benefits. In this video, we'll examine the top 10 benefits of lime for your health. Before you watch the video, please like and subscribe. Enhances immunity. The immune system depends on vitamin C, which limes are a great source of. The immune system is strengthened by vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that lowers the risk of infections and disorders by assisting in the body's defense against free radical damage. Facilitates digestion. Citric acid, which is present in limes, can stimulate digestive enzymes and aid in improved digestion. Constipation, bloating, and other digestive problems can be avoided by drinking lime juice or incorporating lime into meals. Avoid scurvy. Scurvy is a condition brought on by a lack of vitamin C. Lime juice, which is high in vitamin C, can help to avoid scurvy and other diseases linked to vitamin C deficiency. Aids in heart health. Flavonoids, which are found in limes and have antioxidant characteristics, can assist in lowering inflammation in the body, a risk factor for heart disease. Moreover, lime's potassium content can lower blood pressure and strengthen the heart. Minimizes inflammation. Lime juice contains limonoids, which have anti-inflammatory effects and may help to lessen inflammation in the body. Many health conditions, including arthritis, cancer, and heart disease, have been related to chronic inflammation. Keeps kidney stones at bay. Lime juice contains citric acid, which can aid in preventing kidney stone development. Citric acid levels in urine can be raised by drinking lime juice or putting lime in water, which lowers the chance of kidney stones forming. Encourages weight loss. Lime juice is a fantastic addition to a diet for losing weight because it is high in fiber and low in calories. Lime fiber can help you feel fuller for longer, which can lessen your need to snack in between meals. Improves skin health. Vitamin C, which is present in limes and is necessary for collagen synthesis. A protein called collagen helps to maintain the skin's suppleness and youthful appearance. Decreases cancer risk. Flavonoids, which are found in limes, have anti-cancer properties. Regular consumption of limes has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer. Takes on infections. Lime's antibacterial and antiviral characteristics can aid in the prevention and treatment of illnesses. Colds, the flu, and other diseases can be avoided by drinking lime juice or include lime in meals. In end, limes are a multi-purpose fruit with a host of health advantages. Lime is a simple approach to boost your general health and well-being, from boosting the immune system to fostering healthy skin. Thanks for watching.